Hello, dear students. I am Dr. Kapil Chaturvedi, Associate Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, SIS Group Bhopal. In this lecture, we will discuss our topic: how we can create, how we can write, how we can implement the very first program of CPP, and how we will also discuss how we can download and install the Turbo C++ environment or Turbo C++ editor. So we'll discuss that topic in detail and from very beginning. So let's start from the Google screen and start the Turbo CPP editor. So now go on the Google, right here, download Turbo C++ for Windows 10, because in general we are using Windows 10. You can download the C++ environment as per your Windows environment. So I'm using Windows 10, so I'm using the Windows 10. Now click on that particular link. You can download that setup from various sources, but I prefer that source because this one is very easy. And now on this page you will have to you can see here various instructions. So you'll just have to click the download Turbo C++. Once you click on that, Turbo C++ Turbo C++ download will start. Turbo C++ setup will begin to download will start. Yeah, like this. Here some of the instructions are available to use that. Uh, if you want to know that how we can use that, how we'll use that Turbo C++ environment, so you can view once that you will get that screen. Then now you'll have to click on the start Turbo C++. You will got editor, and then you can write the program and run the program. So we will discuss all these steps in detail practically right now in this lecture. Now, what you will do? The download file will be going our download folder. So what we have to go do? We have to go in download folder and run that setup. Okay, so let's go in download folder. Okay, so click on show in folder, go in downloads, we'll get that particular zipped file. Now what we have to do? You can copy that zipped file in one of the folder or run that setup. You may run that setup directly from here. You will have to run that setup Turbo C++ setup.exe. Then you will have to run that setup. I installed that setup previously. So just you'll have to click on the next. Actually, I have already available that setup. So it will asking to me remove, repair, or modify. Otherwise, it will just click on the option next, and install. Some of the process will go on. It will ask for your authentication. Click on yes. And now, just the setup is finished right now. What you will see here, you will got a icon on your desktop like Turbo C++. You will just have to click on that because your installation is properly complete. Click on Start Turbo C++. Now the editor is ready to do programming. Now what we have to do? We'll click on File, go on New, and choose a new file for programming. Okay. Now here we have to write the program. Now here we have to write the program. Okay. Okay, so we start the writing program as include iostream.h as include conio.h void math. I'm just writing the traditional program, what you will see in many of the time in the books. We will discuss each and every topic of each and every line of this program in detail. Just see what I am writing. Hello, students. So our program is complete right now. So nothing to do, nothing to do. What you are seeing here, I'm just writing a program with header file. Wait for a minute. Okay. So what I am seeing here, what we are seeing here, we write one header file has include ivstream.h, has include another header file has include conio.h. So we are including two header files here, creating a function man with return type void, and we are using two functions clr and getch, and in between of that we are writing some one message hello students with cout. Okay, so we will discuss what is the meaning of each and every line and each and every content of this program in detail. But right now, just we have to learn how we can run a single simple program in C++. So this one is the program where this is the header file, this is the main function, CLR, SCR, get ch are the function, and cout. By using the cout, we are just writing a message, hello students, because we want to show that message on console. So now we have to learn how we can compile that program, how we will compile that program. So to compile that program, we have two way. We can press Alt F9 key, or we can go on the compile and click on compile. So here we can see that there is no error in this program. If is there any error in this program, then that program show will notify you error, and uh, will we have to correct that error and come that compile that program. But there is no error in the program. So now I will run that program. Okay, so again, you have two way to run that program. You can use Control F9 key, or you can go on the run and click on control. Okay, so there is no error in this program, and program properly compiled and program properly run. And here we can see that our message hello students is print on the console. Okay, by click enter, we can go on, we can go back on the program. Now we have to understand each and everything in this program. What is the meaning of each and every line of this program? So if in this program we discuss what is hash. So hash is a preprocessor directive. Hash is a preprocessor directive. That means that directed to the compiler before compiling or executing that program. You will have to execute that particular line. Firstly, execute that line, then go on next step. So this one is the preprocessor directive. Hash is a preprocessor directive. IOStream is a header file, that is input output stream header file, which will include the all of the keywords related to the input and outputs like cout, int, float. I will use in further program. Conio is another header file which contain two functions, clr, scr, and getch. So if we are not using clr, scr, and getch, then we can remove. If we are not using clr, scr, and getch, if we remove these both of the functions from here, then there we have not need to use that particular line also. Okay, so that program is also correct. That program is also correct. But here some extraordinary effort you'll have to apply over that program to run that. First of all, you'll have to compile that program. You'll have to compile that program. There is no error. As we remove the conio header file, also we remove get.ch and clrs here, but we are seeing here there is no error. It means that was not the necessary part of the program. Now we run that program. What we are seeing here, our program is properly compiled and properly run, but output is not reflecting on the screen. Why? To see that output, you will have to use the key Alt F5 on your keyboard. And what we are seeing here, hello students message is here. One hello students is of the previous program, and another hello students is of the output of current program. So what we are seeing here, the previous output is also available on the console, which we never want that to show the previous output of our program on the console. Each and every time when we execute our program, we want to show a clear screen. So there's sort of function which should clear all the we should clear the screen before executing the program and to show the output on the neat and clean screen. Another issue with this program is that to show the output, what we are doing, we have to use Alt F5 key because our program is executed, output is on the screen, but screen is not visible. To show the screen, we use the key Alt F5 and go on the console and see the output. So to solve these two issues, to clear the screen, we use CLR SCR, and to hold the screen till any character receive that function, we use get.ch. So CLR SCR is a function which clear the screen. Get.ch is a get character function which hold the screen till we do not press any key. It means if we don't press any key, the computer will not receive any of the character, and console will hold till that particular character. So to use these two functions, we must have to include conio.h. Okay, so what will happen if if we are not including conio.h? Okay, let's see by compiling the program. When we compile that program, we receive two errors. And that error says to you, CLR SCR should have prototype and get.ch also have prototype. It means CLR SCR and get.ch both are required the header files. Sorry. So what we have to do now, I have to write here include conio.h. Okay. Now I'm again compiling the program. There is no error because I include the conio header file and we run that program. Okay. That program is properly compiled with a clear screen, and I can directly see the output on the console because we are using get.ch and CLR SCR. Okay, so now this is the Hello World program, and to save that program, you can go on the file, go on the save, or you can directly push the F2 key to save the program. Here you can write your program's name. My personal suggestion is that the program name should always be meaningful. So I write hello message. Okay. Hello message. So there is a limit of the character of your program name. I think 7 character it will contain, 7 to 8 character it will contain. So the name should not exceed the limit. Okay, so we click on the OK, and our program name is hello message. Okay, so that program is saved, and you can see that program or modify that program in future. Now, if you have to come out from that screen, you can go on the quit. And if you have to open previous program, you will have to go on the open, and so you can see the previous programs. Now you can click on the quit, and you can close the console. So this is the simplest way to create a simple program in C++. In further lectures, we will continue the program and discuss the advanced topic of our C++. Thank you.